Vermeer Corporation manufactures iconic yellow iron, seen on industrial job sites and farm fields worldwide. At Vermeer and throughout the manufacturing industry, the need for production team members is growing. While the demand for skilled workers is increasing, the number of employees entering the workforce with previous manufacturing experience or mechanical skills is decreasing. We've all heard the numbers. The skills gap will leave more than 2.4 million American manufacturing jobs unfilled by 2028. In Iowa, where the bulk of Vermeer team members work, the unemployment rate is the 5th lowest for any state. That, combined with the fact that for the last 3 years, Vermeer has continued to fill more weld, paint, and assembly positions each year than the previous year, creates a significant challenge. In 2020, we made an organizational shift in terms of how we onboard our production hires. We knew that we had to find a way to tap into those sources of talent that may not have the specific manufacturing skills. Our solution to the lack of incoming skill sets was very simple. We would hire dependable people who wanted to learn. Then we train and develop those team members to be successful once they enter production. We call our new onboarding program Keys to Manufacturing Success, or KMS. KMS is a 4-day program that spans from day 2 through day 5 of a new production team member's first week. It's a mixture of classroom, hands-on, and production floor training. New hires gain experience with hands-on fastening activities, material handling, the basics of standard work, and how to read work instructions well as manufacturing activities that simulate the production floor. We also want them to understand that they are now part of a caring culture, focused on safety, quality, efficiency, continuous improvement, and customer satisfaction. Upon graduation from the program, the team member will enter their specific discipline for additional training or head straight to the production floor. KMS training is producing competent and confident team members to the production floor, with over 800 team members having graduated the program thus far. They understand the basic expectations of production and how to be successful, not only in terms of manufacturing skills, but things like what it means to be a dependable teammate. The equipment we build does important work, but the most important thing at Vermeer is the people. We're committed to training our new team members so that they are set up for success from day one.